In this video, I will be showing you how to run Android application on Windows PC using BlueStacks. One most effective way of running Android apps on Windows is by an emulator. This is a program that is able to imitate software from one platform and make it usable on another. It has been commonly used to run Android games and other apps on desktop. Now, to run Android apps on Windows, we are going to use BlueStacks, which is the most popular among other. The BlueStacks app player is designed to enable Android applications to run on PCs running Microsoft Windows and Apple's Mac OS. First, go to BlueStacks.com in a web browser. Then, the site will open automatically. Click the Download BlueStacks button at the center of the page to start downloading. Once the download is completed, you can now install the BlueStacks file. After the installation, you can now sign in Google Play using your Google account. Install an Android application. Here, I've chosen to install a Mobile Legend as an example. Lastly, open the Mobile Legend game and enjoy.
Try swiping the joystick. Move your servant around. Enemy attack. Kill them quick.